Contrary to general belief, not all Italian boats are built in Viareggio. The Ferretti Custom Line series, starting at 81 feet, are constructed on the east side of Italy, more towards the top of the boot, in the Adriatic Sea in a town called Ancona. Lady Brianna was built to U.S. specs and commissioned in 2000 and has yet to change hands. She is a 94-foot vessel with a 23-foot 4-inch beam and has the typical striking Euro lines of most Italian boats. The aft deck can be accessed from either port or starboard and has ample seating with a full wet bar and enclosed shower. There is a stairwell that leads up to the flybridge or down to the swim platform. There's a hydraulic passerelle and hydraulic transom garage that houses the tender and jet ski. Now back up to the main deck and into the salon, where you will see beautiful high gloss cherry wood throughout. There is generous seating and entertainment amenities with a dining table furthest forward and a drop-down TV overhead. Now through the port side you will find the galley and pantry. The VIP cabin is furthest forward and features a king-size berth. There are 3 additional cabins below decks with a full beam master suite that contains a walk-in closet, head and shower. The 2 identical additional guest cabins contain twin berths, including a single Pullman berth in each with in-suite head and showers. Lady Brianna is a raised pilot house model. She has great sight lines for navigation and contains a full complement of electronics. Up from the pilot house 4 steps, you will find the open flybridge with the second helm station. There is plenty of seating and lounging areas, including a wet bar, barbecue grill, and jacuzzi. The crew quarters are particularly impressive. They are forward and accommodate up to 4 in 2 separate cabins and heads. There's also a crew mess and laundry. The machinery and engine room are down from the aft deck with twin 1800 horsepower MTU 12V 2000s and 2 30 kW Kohler generator sets. Lady Brianna is truly in remarkable condition and will easily cruise at 22 knots of speed. She is a rare yacht offered for sale by her original owner.